pawi hetu huko wanchito wao hama mvinila hakama pikila hama muvinila hakama pakula hama muvinila pama peto hake heti hama mulipila. I'm swimming so deep.
Yeah, wanchito wao hama mvinila hakama pakula hama vinila. Now pamene bobono we're discussing hero worship. You know, wanchito akumvinila it's abnormal figurative language. What we're trying to say is hero worship. Council akapita kuwadi kwa uja azima bezika kumvinira MP akapita kumuzi uja constituency aona bwana kumvinira ma minister mwewa ama beziko ta kwenda enda tukwavinira tukwaombera mmanja kwa kwadira president mabezeka tukumuvinira tukumugwadira inde muna kaja atuti ndikaja timakonda kuvina ngati Malawi chachani komano I think we for the past 50 years we've overdone these things to the extent that, you know, my MPs, my councillors, my ministers, my presidents wazinalo wa mudu amona ngati wonde mabwana ife uno amene tinaika pa mpando wa chama tona ngati tino ife uno ndi ma servants awo ndikwa ine I was using figure symbolism imene uli ntchito wawo akumvinira papeto pake akumulipira. It's the same thing anthu awati malipira ndife using our taxes koma you know we worship them. So pamene pajapa wantchito umvinira I was discussing issue of hero worship.
MalawiMusic.com.
It's the remix.